Hi, my name is Alex Borghese from Smart Recycling Now. In this video, I want to talk about a new significant pollutant and source of plastic in the environment, the surgical mask. A recent study quoted by the Washington Post found that by the end of 2021, the COVID pandemic had generated more than 8 million tons of COVID-related plastic waste. A lot of this plastic waste is in the form of masks, which are not made of paper but of polyethylene plastic. At the height of the pandemic, 3 million masks worldwide were thrown away each minute. 129 billion masks were used every month. Environmental Journal estimates 54 million masks go into landfills every day. According to the National Academy of Sciences of the United States, a 2020 report estimated that 1.56 million face masks went into the oceans. That number has increased to 1.6 billion masks now believed to be polluting the oceans because of COVID 2020. Masks kill wildlife. CNN reported in 2021 that waste related to masks and plastic personal protective equipment is increasingly killing birds, fish, and other wildlife across the globe. Fatal ingestion or becoming entangled in discarded masks and latex gloves have increasingly been reported. Similar reports from many publications in Europe and the Smithsonian reported similar findings since the start of the COVID pandemic. These masks are virtually single-use plastics because masks are made out of polypropylene plastic. Polypropylene is the main material in a surgical mask. Different plastic polymers like polyester, polycarbonate, polyethylene, and polyester are used as well. Scientific News states that masks are directly made from micro-sized plastic fibers. When breaking down in the environment, these masks may release more micro-sized plastics, easier and faster than from bulk plastics like plastic bags. This is plastic pollution all over again. These masks, essentially plastic, end up in landfills and over time leach chemicals in the soil and groundwater. These masks, essentially plastic, end up in rivers and oceans. These masks, essentially plastic, will degrade into microplastics, which will get into every ecosystem and into our food chain. Masks are a new pollution threat and will take 450 years to partially degrade. Mask pollution from 2020 is equal to 7% of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. In this photo, rendering of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, 5,500 tons of plastic here is just from face masks alone. These masks and the resulting additional plastic pollution from these masks is a tremendous new problem. In my next video, I will tell you how Smart Recycling Now tries to tackle these problems.